Order.
I'm taking the car, the boat, mommy, everything.
See, she's crazy.
What did you say? I'll take it from here. Who is she? How could he?
Order, enough. Order. The money is yours.
That's right.
Let go, sir.
Mommy, Daddy, give me that. What's fair is fair. This too.
Hey, my clothes!
I'm out of here. Mommy, you're coming with me.
Come on, sweetie.
I love you.
Have a good day, dear. Hey, check it out!
It's Mom and Dad.
I found it first.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, give it!
No, wait! Hey!
I've had enough of you! It's over. Sleeping in again? Enough already. Rise and shine. Wake up!
Do I have to? What?
Breakfast time!
Seriously?
It's breakfast time.
Same old, same old. Thanks. Whatever.
Another day, I suppose.
Hey! Mom, I'm bored.
Fine. Just take it. So annoying.
Wow, look at all these toys. I want them all. I'm not bored anymore. Fight to the death!
Yeah, I know, right?
Look what I got, Mommy.
More toys? Great. Anyway. Huh? It's breakfast time! Gross! What is this?
I made you breakfast in bed. Enjoy, Pumpkin.
Noodles. Again. I can't eat one more bite.
It's all I can afford. Wait! How about some entertainment? Pretty cool, right? Ta-da! So cute! Here!
No thanks.
Hey! I know what you need. A brand new cell phone. This one has all the bells and whistles. It's the latest model. And it's all yours, dear.
No way. A new phone? Thank you. Awesome.
Wait, one more thing. I have toys for you, too. Aren't these fun?
What? Those are all for me? Check out this car. Beep beep.
Oh no, don't eat me! Oh no, what have I done? Help! Somebody!
What now? Like I have time for this. Hi, yes, that's right.
What's going on? No way! A giant Barbie? Are you for real? Come out! Sit right here. We're gonna have some fun. Ready?
Whatever you say, friend. Somebody help!
Come back here, Barbie.
I could use a haircut. Just a small trim. Or I can cut Daddy's hair. He won't even notice. Ready? He's gonna be so happy.
My hair! What are you doing? Why?
I thought you'd like it.
I can't get a moment of peace. Hey! I know. You can cut this person's hair. I just have to create them for you. You can give her whatever style you want. She's starting to look real, see? Such a pretty lady.
What you doing, Dad?
Patience, young lady. This gal is about to grow some hair. Some long golden locks. See?
Wow, she's beautiful. Hi there, lady. Oh my. She's interesting looking.
I think she's beautiful. Now get to cutting.
Okay. I have to concentrate.
Very good, honey.
I'm good at this. Aren't I?
Can you see this row here? What about this?
I don't know. Is that a P or an A?
How about this one? Here. No? Goodness. Your eyes aren't doing well. It's time to fit you for lenses.
Okay, here you go, Doc.
Okay? Here you go.
These look like my grandpa's. And I look like him too. No, these are terrible. Nope. Got anything nicer back there?
I most certainly do. They're all yours.
Really? Wow, these are amazing. Everything looks so different now.
Be careful.
Is that a G? F?
And this?
An O?
This is hopeless. You need glasses, young lady. Now fork it up.
No problem. I have money right here. Or maybe I don't. That's not good. Can I still have them?
I'll make something for you. These frame your face nicely.
Wow, thank you.
I have nothing to wear. I can't be seen in these.
That's enough screaming, thank you. I've got everything you possibly need. I'm your personal fashion designer. And boy, do you need help. First of all, let's tailor. Hold still.
Wait, what are you doing? I like it.
Remember, don't move. Now we're talking.
Hello, upgrade.
What? Wow, it's cool.
I know. It's just what I do. See ya.
There's gotta be something in here. Hey, are those jeans? It's my lucky day. Please fit, please fit. Okay, now I see why they were in the trash. Life is so unfair. Now what do I do?
It's okay, I have holes too!
I hate it here.
Calm down. Just use this. Here you go! All fixed.
You can't be serious.
Wait! Hold on. I got you covered. Just hang on, okay? I'll design you something special. This is so much fun! And a heart because I love you.
Hey, this is pretty cool. I dig it.
Yeah, girl, so cool.
I'm so over this day.
What's the matter now? Hello? Yes, you read my mind.
Howdy there, kiddo.
A clown?
Nice to meet ya.
Awesome!
Watch this. Oh no! There it is.
Unbelievable! Again!
Hey! Wanna know a secret?
What? No way. Dad! I missed you!
What?
He's Dad, see? Just look! Where'd he go? I swear it was him.
If we just follow the directions, it'll be done in no time. We just need 4 screws, a hammer.
I can't sleep.
No more story time? I know. It's time for a little finger theater. I loved this when I was a boy. You ready? Hi there, little lady. You like that?
What? That's cool.
You like that? Then you'll love Mr. Fingers, doggo. Whoa!
So cute. Night-night.
The show's not over yet. See?
Wow.
Finger theater works every time. Good night, sweetie.
Okay. Hi, sister. What's up?
Let's play.
Definitely. I'm just gonna leave this right here. Perfect.
Let me think here. In you go.
She's gonna find it!
What's this? A movie ticket? Sounds like fun. I'm so there.
Hi, honey. Time for a quick read. Fascinating. What's this? A movie ticket, but how? Strange. I guess I have plans now. This ought to be good. Wait a minute.
Is that... Oh my goodness. What are the chances?
Looks like I have a date tonight. I've missed you.
Really? Me too.
How romantic.